Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today in this video, I'm gonna show how to enable developer mode in Windows 11. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe, and now let's begin. Developer mode in Windows 11 allows you to install apps from any source, use advanced debugging tools, enable device portal, and access features useful for app development and testing. It is mainly used by developers, but can also help power users who want advanced system capabilities. To enable developer mode in Windows 11, open Settings, or press Windows +I to open Settings. Go to System tab, and then Advanced tab. Here, scroll down a bit, and enable developer mode by toggling the switch on. Click Yes when Windows asks for confirmation. And now the developer mode is enabled. Developer mode is safe but meant for advanced users. Only install apps from trusted sources to avoid security risks. Also, you can disable it anytime by toggling the button. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.